Vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most important vitamins for your body. It prevents a lot of diseases and increases your body's immune system. You can take this vitamin with or without any food, as it can be found in supplement form or in many different juices. Along with being found in supplement and vitamin form, you can find vitamin C in broccoli, peppers, oranges, lemon juice, mustard greens, cauliflower, papaya, and parsley. Research in the past has shown that there really aren't any advantages to taking excessive amounts of this vitamin. Even though you shouldn't take excessive amounts of vitamin C, you shouldn't have a deficiency in the vitamin either. The most common signs of a deficiency in vitamin C include swollen gums, unexplained weakness, and nosebleeds. Deficiency is common these days, with the most common reasons being alcoholism and a poor diet. Tendons and ligaments throughout your body need vitamin C in order to remain healthy and strong. Depending on your current health situation, it may be in your best interest to take vitamin C supplements along with vitamin E. Together, the combination of the two will work side by side, and enhance their overall impact on your body and your health. Vitamin C is well known as an antioxidant, protecting your skin from the harmful damage of UV rays. If your skin suffers from radiation damage, vitamin C can actually help your skin to recover and reverse some of the harmful effects. If you include vitamin C in your diet and take it every day, you'll notice that your skin will benefit. If you use vitamin E and C together, you'll notice that scars and other harmful defects on your skin will start to heal as well. You can find vitamin C in many fruits and vegetables, although oranges will give you the most amounts. Orange juice is a great way to get your daily dose of vitamin C, as all you need to do is drink a few glasses of it a day. Even if you drink a glass of orange juice in the morning with your breakfast then eat a few oranges during the day, you'll get more than enough vitamin C. If you want to get more vitamin C in your diet, you can use vitamin supplements. When you look for supplements at the store, you should read the labels and see how much vitamin C is in the supplement, and how it works. You should avoid time-release supplements of vitamin C, as they haven't been proven to work as well yet. As long as you monitor your intake of vitamin C and use it on a daily basis, you'll find that your health and immune system will be better than ever.